And for the final updates for today, we've got gold and Bitcoin. On gold on the 1 hour time frame, we can see we've had a break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. This low here did not close below, and this low here did not close below this low, so therefore it's not a valid break of structure, and that is still my current swing low. This high also did not close above this swing high, so it is not a break of structure. If we have a look on the internal, we've had our break of structure in towards the upside once here, twice here, but then since then we've seen a break of structure in towards the downside. We were speaking last week about trying to capitalize on any retracements, pushing price back in towards the downside, but we're currently at a difficult point where price did not close below, and it is not suggesting to me that further downside is expected. So what I'd want to see is a break and a close below, then a retracement, maybe to take out one of these highs within this overall impulse, before then looking for that continuation in towards the downside. For longs, I really don't see a long opportunity. We're quite overextended, I guess, which is the pullback trade, but I just don't see a nice clear entry. If we move on to Bitcoin, we can see on the daily time frame we've had our break of structure with our swing high and our swing low. We've liquidated one of the points of liquidity within this overall impulse, and we're just waiting for this demand chain to fail before we can start looking for those shorts to target the weak swing low. If we move down onto the 4 hour time frame, as you can see, my analysis from last week still there. What we're looking at is the 4 hour structure shifting bearish, which on the daily would be an order flow shift, where we can then look for those shorts. However, as we are still currently bullish, longs are still valid from any or maybe this point of liquidity, or from maybe this low over here. These are lows which could push the market back up in towards the upside. But as we were speaking about on the lower time frame, the bears are in control. So once we've seen a liquidity break, we want to see maybe this supply chain here fail before we can look for those upside. But I am favoring a downside push.